Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on all things health and household. Today, we're diving into a classic favorite, Mercurochrome Antiseptic Mercuro Cromo 1 ounce, the original and best Mercurochrome antiseptic available in the market. Now, before we delve into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's talk about what makes Mercurochrome Antiseptic Mercuro Cromo 1 ounce stand out from the rest. This product, brought to you by the ELP Essential Store, is a must-have in every household's first aid kit. Whether it's minor scrapes, cuts, or burns, Mercurochrome Antiseptic has been a trusted solution for generations. One of the standout features of this antiseptic is its mercury-free formula. Unlike traditional Mercurochrome antiseptics, which contained mercury, this product ensures safety without compromising on effectiveness. So, what are the benefits of using Mercurochrome Antiseptic Mercuro Cromo 1 ounce? First and foremost, it's an excellent antiseptic that helps prevent infections in minor wounds. Whether you're dealing with a paper cut or a kitchen mishap, this antiseptic has got you covered. Plus, with its liquid form factor and compact size, it's convenient to carry around in your purse or travel bag, ensuring you're always prepared for life's little accidents. Now, let's talk about how to use Mercurochrome Antiseptic Mercuro Cromo 1 ounce. Simply apply a small amount of the antiseptic directly to the affected area using the provided applicator. Be sure not to use it in your eyes or over large areas of the body, as indicated on the packaging. In conclusion, Mercurochrome Antiseptic Mercuro Cromo 1 ounce is a must-have addition to your first aid kit. With its time-tested formula and convenient packaging, it's the perfect solution for minor cuts, scrapes, and burns. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always, thanks for watching Product Critique. Until next time, stay safe and stay healthy.